Alright, so first things first, I start with my Anastasia loose highlighting powder. And then I'll grab a fan brush. I'll list this one specifically down below. And I actually like to get it wet. So I've just put a setting spray on there, which is my favorite, Charlotte Tilbury. I'll link it below as well. And then I just go light upward fan motions right at your cheekbones, going in almost a C formation on each side of your face. I might add a little more if I want a little extra glow. I personally love this like goldenish tone. It's just really complimentary to my skin tone. And then I'll apply it to other places on my face, sometimes the tip of the nose or Cupid's bow, or brow bone, or sometimes I'll even use this as a inner eye highlight. It's really just a beautiful overall. I love to glow.